Hey guys!
Hi!
How you going? Got another unboxing video for you today, a very special one I might add. Because we picked up...
I've been waiting for a long time.
Yes, a very long time. We picked up a certain game that was released today. I'm sure most of you people out there would know which game we're talking about. But we're going to unbox the special collector's edition from EB Games.
Yes, please.
So without further ado, let's get into it. And there it is, folks. Thanks for watching. No, I'm kidding. Alright, so let's open her up and let's see what it looks like. Be very careful, kids, if you do use scissors. Make sure you get your parents' help. I mean, of course, I don't have to, but I do cut myself sometimes. Kind of stupid, but what can you say? Oh, up. Okay, now let's have a look. That's what it looks like on the top of the box.
Yeah.
Pretty
Alright,
cool.
let's try to figure out
And, yeah, I think it's gonna...
it's coming out.
Alright, is there anything else in the box? Oh, alright, there it is, guys. Have a look at that, will ya?
The Last of Us Part 2.
Yeah, collector's edition.
It's a big box.
Yeah, it is a very big box.
Now, on the back here, you can see it has everything in there. So let's get this puppy open.
Alright, let's get the sticky tape off. Nice and easy. Yeah, I know, but I don't want to cut it. Fine. Alright, here we go. Now, just while you guys are out there, if you want to leave in the comments about if you're going to get this game or not, also let us know what you think of this video. And if you have enjoyed, so help please, if you have enjoyed the Last of Us games, then just leave a like. Kev, that's going to come apart. Come apart. Careful.
Oh.
Okay, so
alright, so here's the biggest box ever.
So that's, looks like it sections off in two parts there. The Last of Us is the part that lifts up. Part 2 is the part that stays down. And 3 years later, we're finally getting the box open. So
now here's the, if I can get it out.
Oh.
An art book of everything that's been created because it takes so long.
Because you can see this actually slides out. How perfect is that? That, of course, is the beautiful cover with the two main people in the game. Apart from Joel, of course.
Yeah.
We'll go to much
Abby
detail.
and Ellie.
Yeah, Abby. Yeah, those two. Yeah. So that comes off. What's that there? Have you shown the folks at home what it looks like?
It looks like this.
And what is it? Because I can't see. Oh, it's the book.
It's the book.
The artwork. Apparently, this book tells you a lot of the stuff that's happening in the game. It's probably not a good thing. Right, so next thing we're going to have a look at is all of these little
and also
pendants.
Ellie's bracelet.
So all these pendants you can get. That's pretty cool.
And Ellie's bracelet as well.
Not bad at all. Oh yeah, we've got some tattoos and well, not tattoos, stickers.
What's this one?
That you don't eat.
Yeah, never.
It's very poisonous. Do not eat this.
There's another
this you throw away.
thing.
Oh, so many slidey things. I love slidey things.
Oh, another box within a
Plastic,
box.
yeah, a box within a box. Right, so let's have a look. I think this is the Ellie statue.
Yes, it must be.
Yeah, okay, so that's the end of that. Put that baby down. Let's have a look. Let's check out this Ellie statue.
If I can get this thing open.
There we go. Whoa!
Oh!
Looks nice. That's, yeah, just to keep it together, I'm guessing.
Oh!
That looks so cool. You ready for it, guys?
You ready?
I'll pick it up, you take the box away. Ready? Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoop! There we go. Isn't that awesome, guys? Hey?
Yeah, look at it.
Of course, the guitar doesn't really work, but anyway.
No kidding.
I wanted it to work.
So here's
But
her
they're
just bleeding because she's a psycho.
She's not a psycho, she's just
Really?
hurt. Anyway,
She's a psycho.
that's the statue of The Last of Us Part 2. So if you guys were thinking of getting the collector's edition, this is what you get in it.
And also it's out right now because
it's
have stopped
definitely
buying
out.
it.
Yes, I think it's well worth it. I mean, this statue alone is worth it.
Yeah.
I remember getting the Uncharted one with Nathan
Drake.
which, yeah, we won't go there. Anyway, so Guys, I hope you enjoyed our video.
Here's the bracelet.
There's the bracelet. We're going to actually go off and play the game now.
Yes.
We'll be away for this all day.
Yes, we have.
So, yeah, we're going to basically leave you with that. Please leave a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our other videos. And before we forget, very important thing.
We got a
shout out to 2 of our YouTube channels that we have subscribed to, and I want you to subscribe to also. The links will be in the description below,
Yes,
but they are
the Puppet Gang Films
and
Super Mario Rosalina.
Alright, shout out to both of you guys, and I hope you guys are watching. I'm sure you will.
Yes, but if you get this game, don't recommend it's R-rated.
Anyway, I'll be playing too, so I can't wait to get into it. So guys, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.